Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Angela English Course. Let's master the world. Masih bersama Bu Krisan di sini. Well, di video kali ini Bu Krisan akan kasih caranya how to make chocolate lava cake as a practice of procedure text. Jadi video ini adalah video lanjutan dari procedure text yang part 1. Jadi bagi teman-teman yang belum menonton videonya, silahkan nanti bisa klik link yang ada di deskripsi. Nanti Bu Krisan kasih linknya di sana, tinggal klik aja. And there will be no text in this video because you're going to listen to every instruction I give. Jadi pastikan simak baik-baik, tonton sampai akhir supaya bisa memahami bagaimana membuat chocolate lava cake. Are you ready guys? Let's get started. Well, on this table, I have prepared some ingredients we need to make chocolate lava cake. Okay, the first one is 3 tablespoons of chocolate powder. The next is 3 tablespoons of butter. Later, we need to melt it first before we pour or before we mix into the batter or dough. So, melted butter. Okay. Next is 3 tablespoons of sugar and 3 tablespoons of flour, 1 egg, a glass of hot water to dissolve the chocolate powder. Okay, and then the last is powdered sugar to garnish the chocolate lava cake at the end. And the utensils we use are first the mixer, and then some cups. These are used as the cake mold, and then the strainer and a glass to dissolve the chocolate powder and the water. And the next is steamer. Okay, let's start with the methods or the steps. First, take 3 tablespoons of chocolate powder, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, just add a little bit more. And then add water to dissolve the chocolate powder. And then stir until they are well mixed. Stir and stir. The smell is very good, very nice. Okay, just add a little more water. Okay, and then set it aside. Second, put the butter on the frying pan and melt the butter. Okay, 3 tablespoons of butter. Wait until the butter is totally melted, like this. And if it's done, turn off the stove. Next, crack the egg and put it into the mixer and mix it. Next, add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Put it into the mixer and mix it again. Well guys, if you don't have mixer, you can do it by hand. But of course, the process will be much slower. And then mix until the batter is thick and the color is yellow and almost white. Then add the flour into the batter. pour the chocolate powder that we have mixed with the hot water previously. Empty the glass, pour it all into the batter. Okay, and then mix again. Okay, see the color is already brown. The smell is very nice. Yum. And then pour the melted butter. Pour the melted butter into the mixer. Okay, and mix it again. Next, take some butter and smear the butter inside the cups or molds. Do it like this. And do the same to the other molds. Next, take some flour and put it into the molds. Tap it around like this. Well, you don't want your cakes to stick around the molds, so it will be easier for you to take out the cakes later on. Okay, do the same to the other molds. And then pour the chocolate batter into the molds. Then turn on the stove. And heat the steamer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Don't forget to pour the water inside the steamer, okay? Put the lid on. And then when the water inside the steamer is boiled, lift the lid and then put the molds inside the steamer. Put the lid on again. Steam the chocolate batter for about 7 to 9 minutes. Don't steam it too long because the cake will be brownish cake, okay, not chocolate lava cake. Steam it only 7 to 9 minutes. And then prepare a napkin to take out the molds from the steamer. Be careful, it's really hot. And then put it on the plate. Put it upside down like this. Wait for a while until it is not hot. And then carefully take out the cake. Okay. Here it is, chocolate lava cake. Okay, so the process of making chocolate lava cake is not really hard and it does not need long time. And then prepare the garnish, powdered sugar and the strainer. Okay. It will make the taste of the lava cake sweeter. Now, let's see the lava coming out. Wow. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully this video is useful for you, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. Also share to your friends. Okay, see you everybody.